Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video where we're covering very important news that you should really be paying attention to and some positive vibes that it will give you throughout the day. Like for example, Bitcoin's rebound above 43,000. Well, if you haven't already subscribed, drop a comment and click that bell icon and support the channel and share with your friends. All right, so Bitcoin rebound above 43,000 is sparking a 67 million Bitcoin liquidation. That's indicating some further market maturity, which is really good. So it's back to 43, and the Asian trading hours is seeing that news like BlackRock amended the spot exchange application to actually comply with the U.S. securities, which is really good as well. So it liquidated 206 million across all assets from around 80,000 crypto traders during the last day. Some long traders lost a whopping 107 million dollars, and some short traders were actually liquidated around 98 million during that trading period. So all of that is just absolutely crazy. It's around so for example, they accounted roughly around 68 million. That's 32% of total losses that incurred. So 42 million were actually liquidated because we're betting against further Bitcoin price increases. So around 26 million was from long traders, but Bitcoin actually reduced that sensitivity index, the LSI score, around 11.72 million USD. Now that's the lowest level recorded by the crypto slate. And Ethereum actually seen some liquidations across long and short positions around 18.38 million and 16.6 million as well. So large cap crypto like Solana, Dogecoin, and XRP seen some liquidations too, around 7.66 for Solana, 3.2 for XRP, and 3.5 million for Dogecoin. Now, some traders are actually kind of like, well, they're battling that the Binance platform uh, that they've actually accounted for more than 50% of the total losses. So about half of that with Binance. But some price, so somebody will, well, for example, so the price picked up because of BlackRock, and they amended the application to meet with the SEC. But that's kind of where that picked up. But to kind of bet against that would be a little bit silly, and because everybody's expecting Bitcoin to kind of jump according to that ETF. Plus, you have the burn. And XRP price has actually jumped as well. They got 26 million XRP, so they're looking for it to hit about 0.62. Now they're getting actually some good traction across the market as well. So like I said, that whale dumped around 26.2 million to Bitstamp, and the amount of XRP transferred to Bitstamp is around $15.83 million. So pretty big. Now the transfer some SEX hints really a big jump in the token circulation surprise. But despite that actually having that big transfer to Bitstamp, the Rippleback token is also recording an upward price trajectory as well, which is turning out to be pretty good. Now they've seen a marginal increase of around 0.98%, and so it's resting around 61. But a big surge of 54% in the last 24-hour trading volume. So it's moving quite well. As Shiba also, it took away a zero because some of the greed is returning back to the market. So the meme actually got as high as about 4.5% in the last day or so. And the current price action, the crypto has actually done away with that zero. So to a high, now it's about 0.5 zeros, 1051, and the ecosystem is actually characterized by intense volatility. But SHIB forms really strong support above that previous level. Now the growth comes actually from those metrics. Besides the transaction volume in the last 24 hours, some reduced buying sentiment is actually marked by around a 25% drop, and that's around 279 million, 279 almost and a half, but it actually hasn't negated some of the performance of that as well. So the total transaction count is 141 million, so a lot of volume moving in with that. But it actually, if you're not sure about Shiba, it's the second largest meme coin after Doge, so it's kind of following on. I think you probably already know that. But it is making some big strides, and I think it will continue to make some big strides as well. Guys, that's all I have for you today. Some big news with Bitcoin. Don't despair. I think it's going to go pretty high. Dogecoin as well, and XRP will also pick up some traction as well. So a very good day in the crypto space. Be sure to click the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, stay up to date with our latest news in crypto.